we identified close to about $11 million worth of product that we were making on machines that were already old machines. Machines were 17 to 18 years old. And when we realized that to replace those machines in USA, the return on investment was not good. So we actually told our customers that we want to return, we want to stop making these parts, and we have very good relationships. So over a period of 6 months to 2 years, we let go of that business. In fact, if you look at my financials, they come out a little bit flat in 2019, 20 and 21, but that's 2020 and 2021 because primarily we also let go of business, but it improved my margins dramatically. Again, a data point that I want to share with you is, if I make in USA and sell in USA for $1, and on that I make now about 12.5% EBITDA. If I make in India and sell directly overseas, then my EBITDA margin is 21%. And if I make in India and put it into my warehouse, my EBITDA margin is 28%. What I can sell for 60 cents from India directly, when I sell to my warehouses, I say sell because we treat the warehouses as profit centers. So the warehouse sells for 80 cents. So we are still cheaper than locally produced in USA and Europe, where it costs $1, but the customers can buy it 80 cents from us. So we definitely leverage the low cost that we have in India. And the difference between that 60 cents and 80 cents, the warehouse is taking out all its costs, and the warehouses themselves are generating about 7% EBITDA over there. So that's why 21 plus 7, 28% EBITDA. And because the warehouses are all owned by Uniparts, so everything just comes under one balance sheet. So these are some of the figures that I wanted to share with everybody. You heard that it's a complete OFS that we are doing. I just want to say that in 2007, we got private equity company into our business. It was AIG at that time, and they owned 20.68% stock in the company. वो जो 20.68 है actually AIG then after the financial crisis that happened in 2008-9, they sold off all their assets in Asia, and the India assets were sold to another private equity investor called PineBridge. So since 2010-2011, PineBridge is the investor in a company, and in the documents you've heard names of Ambavati and Ashoka. These are actually names of companies in Mauritius through which PineBridge is investing in our company. So PineBridge, the private equity